Okay, what would you check these chemicals with? And what we're going to do is we're going to check the pH balance. And by the way, pH means potential of hydrogen. How much hydrogen is in these? And what you can do is, one way you can check is litmus paper. And you might notice this is kind of from how you would check your pool acid. Litmus paper is made out of something that's so completely natural. And what it is it actually tells you some indicators on the top here. But it's a plant that's actually found in South America. And it's called, the plant is called the Rochilla tinctoria, if you can even pronounce that. And actually it's found different places, but mainly it's found in South America. And that's one way to check for the acidity base, where you would put this in to one of these, and then it would give you a color indicator. But what we're going to do is that if this is not available to you, and this is not readily available to everybody, you can make your own indicator, and that's out of cabbages, red cabbages that is. So that's what we're going to do next, is make our own indicator.